Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious vegan and gluten-free pecan, walnut, and chocolate chip brownies. I'm very excited to share the recipe with you guys. The ingredients and measurements will be listed down below in the description box. First, we're going to start off with some coconut oil, melted of course. Next, you're going to add some maple syrup, 100% natural maple syrup. After, you're going to add in some unsalted almond butter. To whisk all of that together until completely combined. This might take a little while, but you will get there. It should come out looking something like this, and it tastes just like caramel. So delicious. Next, you want to add your cacao powder in parts of 3, so slowly add it into your wet ingredients, and you're just going to have to mix until completely incorporated. Next, we're going to add a flax egg, some vanilla extract, and some Himalayan sea salt. You can use regular sea salt, but I just use Himalayan. And you're also going to add your coconut sugar and mix all of that together until well incorporated. So it should look a little something like this. And now we're going to add some oat flour. You want to fold the oat flour very well. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it's okay. The brownies are so worth it, trust me. After folding and folding, your batter should look something like this. And now we're going to add our chopped pecans and walnuts, as well as our chocolate chunks. You can use chocolate chips, chocolate chunks, whatever you have. I just had the chunks. So you're just going to fold all of that into the batter. This is honestly a workout, guys. This dough is so thick, like you're literally getting a shoulder workout. So now you're just going to put your batter into an 8x8 baking sheet, and I just put some parchment paper to make it a lot easier to pop it out of the baking sheet once it's baked. And you're just going to press down on it. I recommend using a rubber spatula. It just makes it a lot easier. And now we're just going to sprinkle some more pecans and walnuts on top. This is optional. You can top it off with whatever you'd like. And now we're going to pop it in the oven. I baked mine for about 18 to 20 minutes. And here's what it looks like after coming out the oven. It's Smells so delicious. Now I'm just slicing through it. It's pretty gooey inside. It's like the perfect brownie, honestly. I usually do not eat a lot of sweets, but sometimes I like to treat myself, and this day was leg day, so I was like, why not? And here is the finished look. They were so delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. If you do, please take a picture and tag me at VictoriaSBVegan on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until next time, bye guys!